in a little tent. Like the river I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know change gonna come. Oh, yes, it will.
My name is Jacques Smith. I hope to inspire the next generation of Black people making contributions in STEM. My parents were educators, and I was raised in Rocky Mount, a city in rural eastern North Carolina. I went on to graduate from Tuskegee University and HBCU with a degree in aerospace engineering before embarking on a STEM career. That career included work on various advanced technology projects in Northrop Grumman's Aerostructures Test Lab to EV infrastructure projects for Tesla and distributed energy resource projects for Parker Hannifin. As a co-founder of NexGeneration Learning, I am dedicated to bridging the STEM knowledge gap in underserved communities.
My name is Toya Wilson Smith, and I too am working to inspire the next generation of Black people making contributions in STEM. I'm a native of Gary, Indiana, which is a long way from the rural areas of the Carolina communities that we serve. Similar to the problems that face Black people in rural America, my hometown suffered many economic hardships when the steel mills selected to relocate. After graduating from Butler University and obtaining a master's degree in marketing, I found myself working in STEM when I landed a job with one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world, Merck & Company. Now I teach small business owners, entrepreneurs, high school and college students how technology can improve their business and help them implement their next great idea.
Hi, I'm James Carr, and I work at Wilson Community College in Wilson, North Carolina, director of the TRIO programs. I just had an experience with my students after they were attendees at the workshop on STEM that was presented by Ms. Toya Wilson and Mr. Jacques Smith. They thoroughly enjoyed it. Students are asking, when are they coming back? It was truly phenomenal according to our students.